believe that about a wish come true, do you? Well, I didn't either. Of course, I'm just a frickin'. But let me tell you what really changed my mind. You see, the most fantastic, magical things can happen. And it all starts with a wish.
Oh, there's Tink! Tinkerbell! Tink! Mama, you said it was at the very end.
I thought so too. In case it rains, they probably send her out. I'm sure Daddy got that.
I'm sure I got that. That's scary. Is that a real person?
Yeah.
Nice. She must not be afraid of heights.
She's an acrobat maybe or something.
That was really high. A real boy.
I wish for your freedom. You know, any wish is possible. All it takes is a little courage to set it free.
If it just stops, press it again.
Especially when it comes from home.
Mommy, it's Saturn.
Steps in and sees you through. When you wish upon the star, your dreams come true. Sometimes wishes can be granted in the most unexpected ways. Don't worry. Just remember, always let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide.
Slave in the magic mirror, come from the farthest space. Through wind and darkness I summon. Let me see thy face. A blast of wind. Cast my spell. Alas, grant me my wish as well.
You know, folks, you gotta be careful what you wish for around here, or you'll get yourself in an awful mess. But just when things look bad, fate steps in to see you through. Well, I'll be. Oh, it's the Blue Fairy!
Remember, we must always believe in our wishes, for they are the magic of the world. Now, let's forward our hearts together and make a wish come true.
Starlight, starlight, first star I see tonight. I wish I might, have a wish and wish tonight. What's the name of the song?
Starlight, starlight.
You see, it's just like I told you. Wishes can come true if you believe in them with all your heart. And the best part is, you'll never run out of wishes. They're shining deep down inside of you. Because that, my friends, is where the magic lives.
Wishes.